Are you ready?
No, don't tell him. Just throw it.
Just throw. Don't chuck it. Toss it.
Real shocker there.
I'm out of here! Ah! What the? Do not throw my fork at me.
Ready?
Yep. Whoa!
Here.
Chris. That's like catching the ball. You can't be scared of it.
These things were like green.
All right.
Oh
no.
Oh!
Throw
it back up.
Try it again.
No, we have to start over.
I caught it. It's
No,
not
with
the
your
fork.
fork.
You need to cut this shit with the fork. Yeah.
That was cool though.
Ready?
Yep. What the heck?
Here.
I ripped it, but I didn't catch it.
Yeah, this potato's getting injured.
Oh.
Chris, don't back away from it.
Just attack it.
Stab it.
Attack
All I
it.
did was
Stab it with the
turn.
fork. Stab it with the fork.
It's just ripping.
There you go.
Oh, got it.
There it goes.
Don't do that. You're going to throw the potato.
Oh, it worked!
I wasn't ready.